Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming Setedit is up to date and you have admin rights. This prevents permission errors. Once done, back up the active config to a safe location so you can revert if needed. Next, open Settings, switch to Advanced, and navigate to Global Table. You do this now because the interface exposes the activation flag only in advanced mode. Make sure the application is not in read-only or sync state when you proceed. Now enable the Global Table toggle and accept the confirmation. This writes an activation flag to the config. After activation, set the scope explicitly to global so entries propagate system-wide rather than staying local. Then configure defaults. Pick the desired schema, set user and role permissions, and define replication rules if your environment uses distributed nodes. You do this to ensure consistent behavior and to avoid surprise. Finish by validating the global table. Create a few test records and verify they appear across all expected clients and nodes. If something fails, immediately restore the backed up config to return to the previous state while you investigate. When troubleshooting, check Setedit logs for permission denials, schema mismatches, or replication timeouts. Verify network connectivity and role permissions. If replication lags, pause and rerun the sync process. One key tip: permission misconfiguration is the most common cause of apparent activation failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.